a runner's lunge drill, you may want to grab your yoga block, a soup can, a hydro flask, something that can bring the floor up to meet you, especially if you feel as though your hips are rather tight and then it's hard for you to get into deep lunge-like positions. So let me show you the setup for this. So I'm gonna start off on both my hands and feet. So I'm actually gonna start off in the top of a plank, and then what I wanna do is step, in this case I'm gonna step my right foot outside my right hand. So my ankle and my knee are in line with my right arm, okay? What I wanna do is see if I can get my hips to come down, sink a little bit lower to the floor, and then try to take my heart, chest, chin, and gaze just slightly forward and up, okay? So I'm gonna stretch out through here, lengthen. I'm gonna squeeze on the back side there to help hold that hip socket in place. Take at least 3 breaths, and then I'm gonna step back into my plank and then work on stepping this foot towards the outside of my left hand. And again, you can see my arm bone is in line with my ankle and knee, which is in line with my shin. And again, I want to make sure my hips can come down a little bit, bring my chest up a little bit, and if I have trouble doing that, using a prop is going to allow me to get a little bit higher with the sternum and torso so that I can get the hips down. You want to avoid having your hips very high in the air and starting to duck down or around the back, okay? Modifications can include being on the knee in the back side. So again, if I start off in what's called a modified plank, my butt's nice and tight here, holding me in this position. I can bring one foot towards the outside, come back to that modified plank, and then one foot outside here. And again, that's gonna lengthen through here, okay? And then back, or again, starting from plank. As I start to get a little bit more dynamic, I can speed it up. And then eventually we'll look to add in some movement of their upper body. Thoracic rotation, I can reach, rotate, bend the elbow, bring it behind, come back, down, step back to plank, step to the outside, reach up, rotate, bend the elbow, bring it behind, and then back. So again, you want to complete this for the prescribed reps. Let me know if you have any questions.